Now that we've created a new product with a series of processes to do our build, this needs to be deployed through change control to enable the correct processes being available on the production flow. I'm going to navigate to my change control tab here, and I can see that there's a new update to our bicycle product. I can see that I've created it and see all these processes along the way, that it says who did it, the timestamp of when it is, and all other relevant information as needed. I can deny these changes if I don't want to create this, but at the end of the day, this allows me to have a version control of what I've done and have a full record of all of my new processes and updates to my work instructions as needed. In this case here, I have a commit tab and approve tab, which means I'm essentially submitting this to be approved for anybody that needs to do so. As soon as I hit this commit, it'll send it to this approval tab, and I have a variety of changes here that says, these are my stations that I've created. Here's my new product. All of these need to be officially approved before they hit the production floor. As soon as I submit this on the approval tab, it'll say that it's been approved and deployed, and now those stations and these processes have been completed, and now we can go build on my production floor.